Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gamble with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to give you an outlook or a perspective on some of the signals that have been most helpful for me in the recent weeks, and some that I think will be very important as we get into the end of the year and Q1 of 2021. I begin showing you this idea by starting with the daily chart of CRM, where I feel like when you look at this daily chart, it's got a low compression squeeze. It's largely been trading sideways, but you've got a nice trend that led you up into here. It's just a little indecisive on the daily chart. However, if you step over into something like a 3-day chart, which is just taking 3 days of the cash or 3-day cash sessions and merging them into a single bar, it can really give you a unique perspective because you are a little bit quicker than a weekly chart would be, but it offers more perspective than a daily. So it's kind of splitting those right in the middle and can really provide some great signals. They will take a little while to play out. Right? This is not something that's going to happen on Monday. It's going to take weeks and months for these signals to resolve. But if you can see the idea of a signal of compression and the idea that in time that compression will result in a directional move that's going with the trend, I think that ends up seeing CRM up into 300. Now you can see that signal that is currently forming, and we can go over to Tesla to see one that is already fired. So if you see the same kind of setup here, you can see how CRM is in the compression phase of this, where Tesla has already released this very considerable move. So here's the point in time where we're wanting to pursue these positions, get our entry on pullbacks into the 21 EMA, and then catch this type of move that may last for several weeks. So keep that in mind with CRM as it forms, Tesla as it has already confirmed, and then two other charts that are going to be just as important, if not more, and that is AMD, where we've got the same type of very serious 3-day compression. I think it's just a matter of time until you see AMD up there at the $100 price point, and then also in Microsoft. So these are some of the most important companies in the markets right now. I think they will continue to lead the way, and I think that these signals of consolidation eventually resolve in the direction of trend, and I think there'll be some good money to make off of that into January and February. So I hope that's helpful. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you at the next free video.